Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to know what a bathroom renovation means. Renovation is nothing but transformation of a old space into brand new. Likewise, the bathroom renovation is also done. So why do we need a bathroom renovation? The major reasons for a bathroom renovation can be old and outdated look, leakage in the bathroom, dysfunctioning of the existing plumbing accessories, or if you're bored looking at the same old design and decided to have a makeover. Now let me show you a few images of the bathrooms we have renovated so far. The main aspects of the bathroom renovation are: first, changing the old concealed pipeline; second, laying new wall and floor tiles; 3, replacing the old plumbing accessories with new. So talking about the first aspect, that is changing the concealed pipelines. In the old bathrooms, the concealed pipelines are majorly the GI pipes, that is galvanized iron pipes. So in a bathroom renovation, these galvanized iron pipes are replaced with the new CPVC pipelines which are now available in the market. The second aspect is laying new wall and floor tiles. The wall and floor tiles can either be vitrified or ceramic. The new wall or floor tiles are laid in the bathroom as per the client's liking. The next aspect is changing the old plumbing accessories like the commode, wash basin, mixer tap with the new plumbing accessories available in the market. Yes, these are the main aspects or scope of work which happens during a bathroom renovation. We, Srihari Groups, are the best in any kinds of home and bathroom renovation services in Bangalore. With our experienced and skilled labor, we have transformed many outdated bathrooms to brand new with rich years of experience in the renovation field. To know more about our services and projects, contact us at 9513239 349 or visit our website. Thank you.